Lesson 91. Personal hobbies.
What hobbies do you enjoy?
I enjoy doing exercise.
How did you get started with your hobby?
I got inspiration from others.
Do you think having hobbies is important?
Yes, I think having hobbies is important.
Lesson 92. Current events.
Are you following any current events?
Yes, I am following.
What is your opinion on this event?
My opinion on this event is wonderful.
How do you stay informed about the news?
I stay informed about the news by searching the internet.
Lesson 93. Language learning.
Are you learning any new languages?
Yes, I am learning English and Spanish.
What is the most challenging part of learning a language?
The most challenging part of learning a language is speaking and listening.
Do you think it is important to learn multiple languages?
Yes, I think it is important.
Lesson 94. Fashion and style.
Do you follow fashion trends?
No, I do not follow fashion trends.
What is your favorite clothing style?
My favorite clothing style is Genly.
How important is personal style to you?
Personal style is not very important to me.
Lesson 95. Health and wellness.
How do you maintain your health and wellness?
I maintain my health and wellness by doing exercise regularly.
Do you follow any specific fitness routine?
Yes, I not follow a specific fitness routine.
What is your approach to mental well-being?
My approach to mental well-being is regular physical activity.
Lesson 96. Career development.
Are you focused on career development?
Yes, I am focused on career development.
What skills are you working on to advance your career?
I am working on web developer.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself professional web developer.
Lesson 97. Movies and entertainment.
What is your favorite movie genre?
My favorite movie genre is action.
Who is your favorite actor or actress?
My favorite actor Leonardo.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the theater?
I prefer watching movies at home.
Lesson 98. Family and relationships.
How do you spend time with your family?
I spend time with my family by shopping.
What is the most important value in a relationship?
The most important value in a relationship is loyal.
How do you maintain strong relationships?
I maintain strong relationships by loyal each others.
Lesson 99. Shopping and consumer habits.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What do you usually shop for?
I usually shop for clothes.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
I prefer shopping in stores.
Lesson 100. Future aspirations.
What are your future aspirations?
My future aspirations are become a rich.
How do you plan to achieve your goals?
I plan to achieve my goals by try everything.
What motivates you to pursue your dreams?
I am motivated to pursue my dreams by personal growth.